Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about ATMs that you can use for Relay Bank. I know that Relay Bank is a pretty new bank, so you might be wondering if there are ATMs that you can use to withdraw your money. Well, the good news is that there are. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 3 different types of ATMs that you can use for Relay Bank. Relay Bank ATMs. In-network ATMs. Out-of-network ATMs. I'll also go over the fees associated with each type of ATM, so you can make sure that you're getting the best deal. So, let's get started. Relay Bank ATMs. The best place to withdraw your money is from a Relay Bank ATM. Relay Bank ATMs are located all over the United States, so you should be able to find one near you. Here are some of the benefits of using a Relay Bank ATM. No fees. Fast and easy to use. You can withdraw up to $1,000 per day. In-network ATMs. If you can't find a Relay Bank ATM, you can also use an in-network ATM. In-network ATMs are ATMs that are part of the same network as Relay Bank. Here are some of the benefits of using an in-network ATM. Low fees. Fast and easy to use. You can withdraw up to $1,000 per day. Out-of-network ATMs. If you can't find a Relay Bank ATM or an in-network ATM, you can also use an out-of-network ATM. Out-of-network ATMs are ATMs that are not part of the same network as Relay Bank. Here are some of the benefits of using an out-of-network ATM. Convenient. You can withdraw up to $1,000 per day. However, there are also some drawbacks to using an out-of-network ATM. High fees. Slow and difficult to use. Fees. Here is a table that summarizes the fees associated with each type of ATM. Type of ATM fee. Relay Bank ATM none. In-network ATM $1.50. Out-of-network ATM $3 plus ATM surcharge. Export to sheets. Tips for using ATMs. Here are a few tips for using ATMs. Be aware of your surroundings and make sure that you're in a well-lit area. Cover your hand while you enter your PIN. Take your receipt with you. Check your account balance regularly to make sure that your transactions are correct. Conclusion. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Additional information. You can find a list of Relay Bank ATMs on the Relay Bank website. You can also use the Relay Bank app to find ATMs near you. You can call Relay Bank customer service at 1-888-273-5299 if you have any questions. I hope this information is helpful.